news that we're tracking from Rajasthan. In fact, in a horrific incident that's being reported in Rajasthan, a lift collapsed, rather, all have been rescued. Remember, all 14 were trapped and they have now been safely rescued, and rescue efforts end after nearly 10 hours. So that is an absolutely horrifying experience that they had to go through. But let's also tell you that 3 victims were grievously injured and then they were referred to Jaipur. So this is the latest that we're picking up as far as the lift collapse is concerned, where now in this particular incident, 14 were trapped in that collapsed lift at Rajasthan mine, and they have been rescued after continuous operations. In fact, these were overnight operations that did take place. The 14 officials, remember, were stuck at 577 meters of the mines.
खदान में फंसे सभी लोगों को बाहर निकाल लिया गया है, जिनमें से 3 लोग थोड़े सीरियस थे, जिनको बाहर लाकर जयपुर के लिए रेफर कर दिया गया है। बाकियों को लाने के लिए गाड़ी गई है।
Gajraj, my colleague, joins me for more. Gajraj, of course, they have been rescued, but these were continuous operations that did take place, overnight operations, where there were challenges, we believe.
Yes, actually, the worst challenges the teams have been facing from last 10 to 11 hours, and we also received information that all have been rescued, but right now we have been getting another update in this particular matter that only 3 have been brought out of this particular tunnel, who have also faced some fractures in their legs when the lift fell from that particular spot, and right now nearly 3 are said to be properly rescued and brought out of the tunnel, and the operation is still undergoing as per the sources, and the operation is finally underway, and all of the administration of the particular district is right now particularly present at the spot studio.
Right, Gajraj. Thank you very much for getting us the latest as far as this is concerned. We'll continue to track that development, but for the moment, let's leave it at that.